Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be talking about the description. In the previous videos, we've already done the bullet points, the title, and the search terms. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have a Google Doc page already set up here. I've already got everything laid out, so I'm going to go ahead and read it to you guys real quick. Hey there, Kyle from Magnet Fun Products here. I'm so proud to be able to deliver premium magnetic fidget products to so many unique individuals every single day. The 5mm fidget magnet set bundle is perfect for stress relief and creative enjoyment. Please support my American family-owned business in the mission of getting our fun fidget magnet set to people just like you and myself. Thank you for your time. I could probably touch that up a little bit more towards the end just so it flows a little better. But as you guys saw there, I didn't really put that much information in that part. I kind of wanted to evoke emotion with the customer and let them know what I'm about, and also let them know I'm not some random guy in the basement who has no passion about this. So let's go ahead and move down a little bit. So as you can see here, I have something titled frequent questions. I use this a lot, guys. I put these frequent questions like on the back of my product packaging and also in my description. Where I get these frequent questions is actually from our competitors. So here we have, I'm gonna scroll back up, we have specs right here. I just typed in magnetic balls and looked for our competitor. And then we're gonna scroll all the way down to the description right here. Past the description, we're gonna go to the frequent questions. So I would look at a couple of your competitors, look at their frequent questions, and see if you can give your customer information that really wasn't answered in the bullet points. So right here we have how many magnets are there. You know, that's basic, but here's a good one. If my set is missing 3 little magnetic balls, is it possible to get a replacement? Well, let's say hypothetically if they lost those 3 balls, can they get 3 balls from you? Probably not in this case. But here we have another good one is, you know, how to build. And, you know, that's actually a question I got in my example. So I'm going to go back to that real quick since we've looked at a couple of the questions. So as you can see right here, how many magnets in the set? Can these magnets be dangerous? Yes, they can. And how do I make all the cool shapes in the listing photos? This is something that I had an idea of doing. I was going to create a YouTube channel on how to create things with my product. And this was going to pull customers from my YouTube channel and actually give information from my customers that just purchase. Because I was going to put these frequent questions on the back of my product packaging and also, as you can see, in my listing. And that was going to kind of drive people back and forth to the channel, hopefully to buy stuff from my channel, and you're going to gain information from people who have bought my product. So these are the things that you guys kind of want to be thinking about when you're in a market like this. So now that we're done going over the listing, it needs to be formatted correctly. So I'm going to scroll down here. All right. Now we have the HTML code, which is just basic coding. So I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed when we're talking about this. Pause the video, just look at what I got here. I'm going to be going over how to bold these paragraphs, as you can see, and these, you know, questions. And also I'm going to show you how to do line breaks, because in our previous videos, we looked at other people's descriptions and they were either just a block of text with no separation. That kind of made you not really want to read it. And then we also had one that was probably a little bit worse than ours, but in the same kind of format. And then we also had one that was our main competitor, who was a brand registered infographic description, which was pretty intense. So we're going to be right in between there. All right, so let's go ahead and get down into it. So we got to bold. You're going to use this symbol right here. And once you're done bolding, you're going to put this symbol in as well. So all I do is actually copy and paste. I put these at the top of my page and just copy and paste in there. So that's how you bold. As you can see, I got the B there, and then it comes down there, and I got the break. So that's going to bold all that. But in order to do a line break, you need to do that at the end of, like, you know, hey there, I'm going to want a break. I want to do next line. So I'm going to put a line break right there. Okay, but I want a space between hey there and Kyle from Magnet Fun Products. So I'm going to put a break there as well. As you can see, I just went down and copy and pasted it into everywhere it needed to go. And then once you have this, you can just copy and paste that into Amazon's listing tool. So that's going to sum up the video for today, guys, with the HTML code in the description. I hope it was very informative. Leave a like, leave a comment. Doesn't really matter. You guys have a great day and take care.